this video, I am going to show how to create a matrix using RStudio. For creating a matrix, here the command is matrix bracket data comma number of row comma number of column comma by row. So here M is the matrix and C 1 to 9. So here the values from 1 to 9 and number of row equal to 3 and by row equal to false. So print M, we run the command, so we get the matrix. Here by row equal to false, so we get the values according to columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we sense the statement that is true, then again run the command. Here we get the matrix according to row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, PBA matrix, we take the values randomly and number of row equal to 3 and by row equal to true. Then print P, then we get the matrix. Here we get two matrices, one is M and another is P. So for addition of these two matrices, I use the command print M plus P. So this is the new matrix. For subtraction of two matrices, here the command is print M minus P, and for division of two matrices, command is M by P, and for multiplication of two matrices, command is M into P. So in this way we create the matrix using RStudio. Thank you for watching.